Okay, so now with the board safely out, I'm still not going to be touching these caps with my bare hands, I don't think, just to be absolutely certain. But we can kind of address these bulged caps on the side, and I think if we take this heat plate off, we should have good access to see what our capacitance is and see if we've got replacements or if we have to find a donor. Okay, so with the heat shield off, just looking at D815 and D814 here, which looked a little scorched just to the naked eye, but it looks like they're measuring okay. So I think it's just those two bulge caps on the top we have to deal with, which are right here. And it's got the polarity marked on the bottom of the board, which is pretty nice. So let's see if we can heat these off and see if we can find replacements. All right, success. These came out pretty easy. So we've got two caps here that are bulged, and it looks like they are rated 39 microfarad at, looks like 160 volts, but I can't quite tell. Well, yep, 160 volts or 16.0. Can't really tell. 39 microfarad, 160 volt. So unfortunately, my cap kit only has 16 volt, 50 volt, 25 volt, and I don't have the correct capacitance. So we're going to have to find a donor. All right, as luck would have it, I had this RCA come in with a smashed screen. So let's see if we can find a donor capacitor on this board. Well, unfortunately, a lot of nice caps on this board, but none of them are the 39 microfarad at 160 volt or higher voltage, same capacitance. So on to the next scrap to see if we can find a donor. All right, in the pile, we have another dead Vizio, so let's see if we can get capacitors off of this. Well, sadly, no go on this one either. Similar style caps, but much lower voltage and nothing with the same capacitance. Not on either board here, so I'm going to have to keep digging. Well, through two TVs and a monitor, I could not find this capacitor. I'm guessing it's designed probably for these large power circuits for these big TVs. So the quest continues, but I still think we can save this TV. So we're going to just put it on hold until we find a capacitor.